In this video, I'm going to show you how you can only allow messages from people you follow on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you only want people you follow to have only the power to message you, it's pretty simple. You can enable these settings. To do this, open your Threads account and then go to your profile icon down below and then go on top right here to these two lines to access settings. Under settings, go to privacy, and here we have this option for messages. If you tap on it, you can see currently it is set to anyone, which means I may get message requests from people you don't follow. However, I wish only this to apply to only people that I follow. So I'll choose this first option. And by choosing this first option, I'm told this will include people you follow on Threads, followers who follow you back on Instagram, and people you have messaged before. So that's how you can restrict messaging on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.